I got the 2-inch screws. I got a screwdriver drill bit, just a hair smaller than the threads of this, so that I can drill it in at a slight angle. Okay, that's my next step. Now when I put this in, see, I could loosen this and I can slip it all the way in, right? Well, if I tighten it up right there, if I get my 2-inch screw out, see how much further the 2-inch screw goes in? Well, I don't want that, because I'm going to pre-drill that deeper so I can loosen this and I can pull this out almost all the way, you see, and let it extend a little bit. Now I can hold it in there. Let's see, it's further out. Oh, it's a little bit too far out, so I can put it back in a little bit. It's about the same right there, see? Okay, so now I can tighten that up, and I can get up there and drill that. Get my trusty stool out. I can actually put this on high too. I had it on low there. See right there, I know I'm hitting wood because I'm going in at an angle, right? I think that's gonna be okay. Try not to go too far at an angle, because like I say, I don't want the edge of the screw when it goes in to stick out too far. And it's not going to by very much, and then once I drive it in there all the way, it may kind of settle it right down into the hinge where it needs to go. Okay, I'll get set up for that, and we'll get that hinge section reattached. Let's do it. Funny thing was, when I came over here, I wasn't even going to make a video of all this, because I thought, everybody's seen this before. Well, you might have seen portions of this before, but I'm actually doing quite a few different things here. And I want you to feel comfortable knowing you've got to go through these steps. Hey, you can. Okay. Put this middle one back in. See, that's why I got it on low before. To get that in nice and snug. Now, I'm going to put that in at an angle and hit the very edge of the 2x4. These are 2-inch. I want it just a little bit longer since I'm driving it into the wood now. There. Not too bad. Not too bad. It's sticking out just barely, but you're not going to get it any better than that. Sorry. And if it bothers you that one screw is darker than another, you can take a felt tip pin. You could actually do that on the screw first if you wanted. So you get the whole edge. Those 2-inch screws seem like they were just a hair different color than that longer screw. And you can do something like that. And this is just a Sharpie. What I do when I put that in my nail bag, I don't put it in my nail bag like that, or else the tip dries out. I put it in my nail bag with this facing down. That way this always is coming down, and my Sharpie will last many months longer. Okay, that is snug, bad boy. Okay, now I'm ready to put the door back up there. I'll show you that. I'll show you that. Don't worry.